Okay, so here's going to be my second electrolysis tank project. The first one was just a little rusty. It's coming out real good, and I'll show some stuff on that one after I've got it seasoned. It's going through its second seasoning right now. But this one is going to be my second project. It's going to be a little tougher because, see, as you can see, something got melted on there. I don't know what that is. It deformed it. I don't know what it is. But I'm going to see if electrolysis can take that off. And then it's got just some bad spots in it. So let's see what that is. I don't know what that is. We're going to see how it turns out. Got some crud down here. So we're going to see how this comes out in the electrolysis. You know, it's 10.5-inch skillet. We'll let you know. Okay, here's the finished product. Remember that little clump that was sitting right here? That electrolysis took it right off. I don't know what it is, but took it off, and all the crud that was down here took it right off. I am a firm believer in electrolysis now. Awesome results.